Hello and welcome to the Jackson 100% channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a very useful feature on WhatsApp, the option that allows your friends to repost your status directly on their own account. Many people don't know this option exists, but it's already built into the app. First step, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Second step, tap the three dots in the top right corner of the screen, then select Settings. Third step, in the Settings menu, tap Privacy. This is where WhatsApp groups all the options related to security and sharing. Fourth step, scroll down until you find the status option and tap on it. You'll see several settings available. Fifth step, enable the allow sharing option. If it's turned off, your friends won't be able to repost your statuses. Once you turn it on, they'll be able to share the photos, videos, or messages you post in your status. And that's it. In just a few seconds, you've activated a very useful feature. Quick tip, if you don't want everyone to see your statuses, you can limit visibility by using the My Contacts Accept option available in the same privacy section.